Did you know that eating carrots won't actually improve your night vision? That's right. This popular belief isn't rooted in scientific fact, but instead traces back to clever wartime propaganda. While carrots are indeed rich in vitamin A, which is essential for general eye health, munching on them won't turn you into a nocturnal superhero. Surprised? This is just one example of how health myths can infiltrate our daily lives, leaving us not only misinformed, but sometimes even making choices that don't serve our best interests. Throughout history, myths and misconceptions about health have circulated in families, social circles, and now, more than ever, across the internet. Some are harmless, rooted in old wives' tales or cultural traditions. Others, however, can actively impact our well-being, creating confusion, wasted effort, or even putting our health at risk. With so much information and misinformation at our fingertips, it's critically important to separate what's truly beneficial from what's merely been repeated over and over until it feels like fact. Central to these issues is the challenge of health misinformation. In an age where advice is just a click away, anyone can stumble upon seemingly credible but false claims. These myths persist, not because they're true, but often because they sound plausible, are easy to remember, or simply because everyone around us believes them. When we make decisions based on these myths, rather than solid scientific evidence, we can end up with habits that do little or nothing for our health, and in some cases, can even be harmful. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common health myths, exposing the real truths behind these widespread beliefs. One of the most enduring myths is that detox diets are essential for cleansing our bodies of toxins. From juice cleanses to expensive detox teas, the market for these products is massive, promising everything from weight loss to glowing skin. But the truth is, there is no scientific evidence supporting the claim that these diets rid your body of harmful toxins. In reality, your body is already equipped with highly effective detoxification systems: your liver, kidneys, lungs, and skin. Together, they continuously filter and eliminate waste around the clock. Not only are detox diets unnecessary, but some can be nutritionally unbalanced or even dangerous, leaving you depleted and at risk for health complications. Instead, a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, water, and whole grains is all your body needs to keep things running smoothly. Another common misconception is the 8 glasses of water a day rule. For decades, people have dutifully tried to meet this daily quota, carrying water bottles everywhere they go. But where did this guideline come from? Scientific reviews have shown that there's no universal need for exactly 8 glasses a day for everyone. Our actual water requirements depend on a range of factors: age, body size, activity level, overall health, and even the environment. Most experts agree that you should drink when you're thirsty. Your body is great at signaling when it needs more fluids. Overhydration is real, and drinking excessive amounts of water can even dilute important minerals in your body. The bottom line? Listen to your body's cues rather than sticking to an arbitrary number. Let's debunk another widespread myth: the idea that you can sweat out toxins by spending hours in saunas or hot yoga classes. While sweating is your body's natural way of cooling off, it's not a significant pathway for eliminating toxins like heavy metals or waste products. Most toxins are filtered and processed through the liver and excreted by the kidneys, not evaporated through your skin. Sweating does help regulate body temperature, but don't count on it for a full-body cleanse. The list of health myths goes on. Consider the claim that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Though the sound may alarm your friends or family, research shows that knuckle cracking doesn't increase your risk of developing arthritis. The popping sound is created by the release of gas bubbles in the joint fluid. While excessive knuckle cracking might lead to some soft tissue swelling or reduced grip strength, there's no link to the painful and degenerative condition of arthritis. One myth often passed down through generations is that you should starve a fever and feed a cold. In reality, your body needs nourishment and hydration to recover from any illness, whether you have a fever, a cold, or both. Restricting food intake when you're sick can rob the body of important nutrients, while proper hydration and light, nutritious meals can support your immune system as it fights off infection. Of all the widely believed myths, perhaps the most surprising is the idea that eggs are bad for your heart because they're high in cholesterol. For years, this misconception led many people to avoid eggs, fearing an increased risk of heart disease. However, current research shows that for most people, the cholesterol in eggs has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs are a highly nutritious food, packing protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. A balanced diet that incorporates eggs in moderation is not considered harmful for most people and can even be part of a heart-healthy lifestyle. Think about how these myths persist in everyday conversations, shared between friends, or even repeated by well-meaning family members. Their staying power lies not in scientific merit, but in repetition, anecdotal evidence, and catchy phrases. But as we've revealed, following these myths can sometimes do us more harm than good, guiding us away from the simple, evidence-based practices that genuinely support our well-being. As we've seen, the truth behind popular health beliefs can be far different from what we've always been told. Whether it's the myth of superpowered carrots, the unnecessary ritual of detoxing, or the misperception of water needs, relying on outdated or incorrect information can lead us astray. That's why it's so important to look for health advice from credible, evidence-based sources, and to question those claims that sound too good or too simple to be true. Next time you encounter a health tip that everyone seems to believe, take a moment to check the facts. Your body and your peace of mind will thank you. If you found these myth-busting truths helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health tips and information to keep you and your loved ones healthy and well-informed. Remember, knowledge is the best medicine.